In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the Fastboot mode on a Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro. In order to go to the Fastboot mode, first we need to restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to show the power menu. And then in here we have the restart option. Once you tap on restart, you will see the restarting text, and once it disappears, you want to press and hold the volume down button. So tap on restart, and now we're gonna press and hold volume down. And just keep holding the volume down button until you open the bootloader. There we go. And in here, we can just simply go to the recovery mode. So we can use volume buttons in order to choose between all of these available options. So you want to make sure that it says recovery mode here at the top, and then press power button to confirm. The phone is going to restart itself, and soon we should see the no command text. There we go. In here, you want to press and hold power button, and then while holding power button, press volume up. So I'm gonna press and hold power and then press volume up. There we go. And then we have the recovery mode. In here, we also navigate by using volume buttons. And as you can see here, we have the enter Fastboot option. So we're gonna press the power button to confirm. And now we have the Fastboot. And here also we navigate with volume buttons, so we can just move up and down. And in case you want to exit the Fastboot mode, you can just simply choose the Reboot System Now option. So once it is highlighted, press power button. Your phone is going to restart and it will go back into the normal mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.